Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows search bar not showing or working on Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart your PC. So all you have to do is to click on the power button, and then you need to click this restart to fix this error. So restarting your PC can fix a surprisingly long list of problems. Reboot system can help to fix it. Then you need to click this restart, and then after restarting, and the next solutions we will do is to restart Windows search bar process. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar, and then you need to select this task manager. And then once you open up here at Task Manager, and then here at Processes tab, and then we need to find and locate this search. Then you need to scroll down. And then if you find already this search, so all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need to click this End Task. And then after that, and then we need to close this Task Manager again. And then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. And then after that, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to restart the Windows search service. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type this services, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at services and services local and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows search. So we need to scroll down. And then once you find already this Windows search, so all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to click only this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, then we need to close. And then here at the power button, then we need to restart again to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.